playing for too long, too long. Boy, I'm trying to see some. Yeah, you be acting like you ain't sprung. I'ma give you what you want. I'ma pull up with that good. Pull up bougie in the hood. Guys, disregard how I'm looking. I got my hair tied down because I'm baking baby Jay a cake. And I didn't have a hairnet, so I had to put on my bonnet. Say hi. So I'm baking baby Jay a cake because he is turning 1 on Monday the 15th. Disregard my lip, y'all. I burned it with some hot food. So I got a burn marker here. But yeah, I'm looking toe up. We making baby Jay a cake. So once it's baked and done, I think I'll come back on when it's time to decorate it. We doing Paw Patrol. We doing a Paw Patrol theme, huh? Say hi to everybody. They said hi. Okay, we'll see y'all later. You want to say bye? Oh, you want to say hi. Okay, y'all, I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey, y'all, so far I got the first layer leveled, and I got it iced. So now I'm leveling out this layer. Here's my cake scrappings right here. But I'm leveling out this layer so my third layer can just lay flat. And then probably tomorrow I'll probably put the fondant and the decorations and stuff on it. So I'll see y'all when the third layer is done, and probably when the fondant and everything is ready to be put on along with his decorations. But let me get ready to feed this boy dinner. 3 layers on. I got it leveled out, and now all I'm doing is just smoothing the icing. And it's getting late, so I'm probably not gonna put his decorations and fondant and all that stuff on tonight, but y'all will see you tomorrow. Y'all see the basics of it. So I got everything icing, and I'm gonna just smooth out this icing. I'm gonna smooth it out as much as I can, and then it'll be ready to be decorated tomorrow. So yeah, so far so good. I have the fondant on. I just need to smooth it out and get rid of all this excess around the edges, and then it'll be time to start decorating. So I'm getting ready to start smoothing it out and getting rid of all the excess fondant that I have on here. I just ran out of edible ink, so I might have to go back to the store and get some stuff, because it only was able to do 2 paws and a bone. Okay, y'all, and I am finished with baby Jay's little Paw Patrol Inspired Cake. Just something simple, fast, and easy for his first birthday. Hope y'all liked it. Subscribe, comment, like, share, all of the above. Okay, baby Jay. Please don't go out. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. All your stuff done fell. Happy birthday to baby Jay. Happy birthday to you. Blow out your candles. Look, baby Jay. Say, yay! Eat some cake, baby Jay. Eat your cake. Eat your cake, boo-boo. Look.
Say psh, psh. Say psh. Eat some. Yay! Happy birthday. You trying to tear it up? You got cake on your eyes. Oh, you trying to bite it, huh? Whatever. So my mama just letting me do whatever, huh? This one.